Hi, my name is Chris, and this is Until Reality Catches Up, where we honor the pause, process the messy parts, and grow together. Dati akala ko kapag nakuha ko na yung gusto ko, ibig sabihin tama yung ginagawa ko. I would pray for it, hope for it, work hard for it, and when it didn't happen, feeling ko may mali sa akin. But over time, I realized not every no is a punishment. Sometimes it's protection. Sometimes it's preparation. Minsan pinagpapray natin isang bouquet ng flowers. Pero, ang totoo, hinahanda pala para sa atin yung isang buong garden. And maybe, if we had gotten what we asked for too soon, baka hindi pa tayo ready para alagaan yung garden na yun. So now, when I desire something, I pause and ask, is this really for me? Will this grow me into who I'm meant to be? Or is this just what I want right now because it feels good? Natutunan kong tingnan yung bawat closed door bilang direction, hindi rejection. Every delay as a chance to prepare my heart for something bigger. Because when the right yes comes, I want to be ready. Kung may no kang natanggap or delay na nangyari, try mong itanong, ano kayang garden yung pinaprepare para sa akin? Kasi minsan, hindi lang bouquet yung para sa'yo. It's the entire garden. Salamat for spending time with me here at Until Reality Catches Up. If nakarelate ka sa episode nito, hit follow, rate us 5, and share it with someone who might need this reminder too.